If you need your hosting a server IP address, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it inside your hosting a dashboard, and I'll also show you how to copy it quickly so you can use it for DNS records, A records, or SSH connections. This is a really useful step if you're connecting a domain, setting up email, pointing records to your hosting, or troubleshooting your website. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Hostinger and website setup guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the main menu on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Websites. This section shows all of the websites connected to your account, so if you manage more than one site, this is where you'll find the correct one. Next, locate the domain you want to check. When you find it, click Dashboard, or on some accounts you may see Manage next to the domain. That will open the controls for that specific website. This is important because the server IP address is tied to the hosting plan for that site, not just the general account overview. Now that you're inside the website dashboard, look for the left-hand menu again. Scroll down until you see Hosting Plan and then click Plan Details. This is where Hostinger keeps the technical information for your hosting package, including the server IP address. After the plan details page opens, look for the website details card. In this section, you should see your server IP address displayed clearly. It will usually be a numerical address like 195.185.185.185. That is the IP address you'll use when you need to point a domain, create an A record, configure DNS, or connect through SSH. If you want to use it right away, simply click the copy icon next to the IP address. That copies it to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it without typing it manually. This helps avoid mistakes, especially since one wrong number can send your domain to the wrong server. A quick tip here, if you're setting up a domain that is not fully connected yet, make sure you're copying the IP from the correct hosting plan. If you have multiple websites or multiple Hostinger plans, always double check that you're viewing the right domain before using the IP address. And that's it. You now know how to find your Hostinger server IP address in just a few clicks. To recap, go to Websites, open your site dashboard, select Plan Details, and then copy the IP address from the website details card. Simple, fast, and useful for a bunch of hosting tasks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.